Hello guys, today we are going to review what happened today. So I couldn't record the live trade because electricity was out and I didn't have it for the whole day, so I'm a bit late with recording and everything. So yeah, but let's get straight into it. So in terms of the economic calendar, we can see that today we had news at 8:30 and then at 10 a.m. Trump was speaking, which didn't show at the time, which is why I didn't see it. I didn't even know about this, which is why okay, we didn't even have that much of a reaction at 10. We had it later. This was the reaction of Trump in this move up. I didn't know that at the time. So let's go in the charts and let's see. So what I was looking at is on NQ, I preferred NQ. So on NQ, I saw that price was around here, and we took out this daily buy set, which means that with my how I think is price has to retrace back into equilibrium or in discount in PDRAs in order to go up and continue to the upside, to continue the trend right here. So we have a trend right here. So we did this and we are continuing the trend to the upside. Of course, we also have a trend right here and we are continuing to the upside. So this move was logical. We swept out liquidity right here, reached the daily fair value gap. From there, we move up, big structure, retrace into PDRAs, move up, and we keep moving up. Next move is probably from this order block right here into the weekly buy side right here. As that, I expect, so with that, I expected price to sweep some liquidity right here and reach into these PDRAs in order to go up, which is exactly what happened. But right here, I didn't get any real good confirmation that I could trade from. And S&P gave it faster and better, so I went with S&P. I liked this 5-minute inversion way more than on NQ, this one that they didn't even inverse on the first one. So here, as you can see, we move down into 1 hour fair value gap and a 15-minute fair value gap right here. From there, we inverse a 5-minute inversion, and then I entered right here on this candle at the close right here, which I shouldn't have done, to be honest, because my model said to wait for price to retrace back into the PDRA and then give me an entry to the upside. But what I tried is trading the 4-hour PO3 model, and this would be the entry, not the actually on 1 minute time frame. This right here, after we inverse this inversion, would be the PO3 model entry, which I missed because I didn't see it. I'm still new at this. So yeah, that would be the PO3 entry. Your stop would be about this low because you will consider this as a 4-hour low that was put in. But the safest low, the safest place to have a stop loss was obviously below the 15-minute or the 1-hour fair value gap. The trade that I should have taken, which would have lost also, was this one. So we had the retracement into the 5-minute fair value gap, and then we gave a break structure on this high right here. And with this candle close that was strong, I should have entered there, put my stop either below this one or below this low, and target the drawn liquidity, which was for me the daily buy side or the high of the day. The bias was right, the move happened, but it first had to obviously I guess stop everyone out with a tight stop loss. By tight, this is not even tight, this is a huge stop loss, but the stop loss had to be below these levels in order to work out. So yeah, anyway, yeah, this was the trade that I took. I lost 1%, which is completely fine. The trade is solid and I like it because it played out. I like it because it played out. This right here, this loss that stopped me out, it's still okay because the bias was correct, which is good for me. So yeah, what I wanted to tell you guys is a small update. So since I didn't have any electricity, I brainstormed a lot. So I'm gonna do some things different, and I'm gonna update you guys on all of those things in time. For now, I'm still brainstorming. I'm still figuring it out how I'm gonna do it. But what I wanted to tell you is that this week I'm ending it in profit, there's no way that I ended in loss, because I hit on Monday a 3% win, and then this is minus 1%, so I'm up 2%. If I take a loss tomorrow, I'll still be up 1%, which means that this is my 4th week that I'm profitable in a row, which is very nice. I ended 4 of them in profit, which is very nice. Last month I also was in profit the whole month, and I'm trying to keep that. The way that I did that is I took less trades that were A, so I took A plus. I took only A plus setups, and the amount was 10 trades in the whole month, and it ended at 5 plus 5%, which is very, very, very nice. So I'm trying to keep that going. I'm trying to keep executing A plus setups and keep them going, because they will yield me a trade like these. For example, this one, it failed, but the bias was correct and everything, which is nice. Yeah, that's it for this. This video is short and sweet. I'll definitely update you guys on everything that I do in terms of that, so definitely stay here and follow me on the journey. Also, if you're trying to buy an account, go with instantfunding.io prop firm. In my description you have a link with my discount code that you can use, which is Learn Trades. Just type it in, you'll get an 18% discount and a 90% profit split for your challenge that you are trying to. Of course, only if you are ready for the challenge. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed.